Hello everybody, it's in today's video, we here in the beautiful Gmod construction site. I forgot the name. So in today's video, unlike the others, we're running from, next bus. So we're gonna spawn a bunch of them and have them come and chase me at. So since sadly, I'm gonna explain later, like at the end of the video, so you would understand. So right now, I'm gonna run this way while doing that. So we're just going to, blip. He's dragging. What? That thing was dragging me. No. Okay, run. Go. Go. Okay, let's spawn a little bit more. Go. So, since they're all the same speed, sadly, so I had to wait. Alright, so... Oh, God. You're so sexy, boy. What am I doing at this point? What am I saying? Go. Yeah, y'all so... Ah! Oh, they're right there. Go. Come and get me. Y'all shitty boy. Woo. Ah, shucks. But I hate hearing that. I mean, I love hearing it, and I hate hearing it. Since this is... Oh, my God. Why did he... Why do you stop? Oh, you on it now. You're on... Oh, wow. Run. Just run. Okay? Light. Ah! I'ma hide in the corner. Jeremy. He's here. He's coming to kill me. Go! Have it on. Oh yeah, baby. Come on. Don't mess with me, Obunga. You don't know where's my skills. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you guys know my skills. My skills are buns. Come on. Let's see, put the purple room. Juke. Yes. Let's go. Ah. Ooh, he's right there. Hi guys, so that blacked out thing that you just saw, that was my game crashing. It's because it was too much Obungas, and I have a weak phone, and I hate it, and I want a new one. I'm not trying to be, well, I mean, I like this phone. I like it. It's very good. It has a lot of freaking storage. I'm surprised this phone can even handle the stuff I abuse this thing. So... Oh wow, Obunga likes you. Oh yeah, you like me, don't you? Yeah. I'm sorry, Bubbles. Ooh, you thought I was going there? Ooh, you thought I was going there? Nah, I forgot it. I keep hearing pigeons. Mating pigeons. I swear I saw. Go! I'm gonna break this! Oh, I didn't die. Go. Go, you stupid monkey. Where do I go? Oh, is this a maze? This is a maze! Oh, owie. That hurts a lot. Hold on. Bleedy. There's another one. Oh my God. There's another one. Jump. That was a bad idea. What happened to the... I can't go in this building anymore? Oh, yes, I can tell why. Googity. Man, look at you. You ugly beast. Yes. You cannot defeat me, Obunga. You shall die. Look at you. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go. Why is it? The water's so freaking shallow. I don't like that. Alright, so let's head towards the water. The water's so shallow. Okay. Oh. Holy lag. Go. I don't think they can come here. Why are you so big? I never made you big. Ah.